again.
Whoa! So warm and golden brown! They've even got syrup on them! Guess what? You're a genius!
I'm over there.
Is a supervillain threatening to destroy the city?
Did someone steal Keswick's fish sticks from the fridge? Because it wasn't me! Who cares? Just... Even worse, my blaster's making me burp! I ate my badge. What are you saying? I am...
Hey, Percival. Soon I will have my revenge on Top. Let's see.
Well, I certainly didn't drink from the delicious super fizzy blueberry soda river, if that's what you're thinking.
Oh, I'm being slowly digested here. Or am I? Oh, yeah, I definitely am.